In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable autofill in Firefox. We will turn off saved form entries, credit cards, and passwords so Firefox stops filling things in for you automatically. First, open Firefox. On Windows, you might use the desktop icon. On Mac, you might click it from the dock. Wait until the main Firefox window is fully loaded, with your tabs bar at the top and the address bar in the center near the top. Now click the menu button, the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, then click Settings. When Settings opens, it usually appears in a new tab with a sidebar on the left. At the top, you might see the General section, which controls things like startup and downloads. From there, look at the left sidebar and select Privacy and Security. The main area changes to show privacy options. You should see sections like Enhanced Tracking Protection, Cookies and Site Data, and a bit farther down, History. If you click the right section, the word History will be visible as a heading. Next, scroll down to the History section. Take your time and move slowly so you do not skip past it. When you see the History heading, stop scrolling. Below it, you will see a line that starts with Firefox Will, followed by a drop-down menu. At this point, set Firefox Will to use custom settings for history, or it might say Customize History, depending on your version. Click the drop-down, choose that custom option, and Firefox will expand more checkboxes under it. This view lets you control what exactly gets stored instead of using one general history setting. Once that is ready, uncheck Remember Search and Form History. As soon as you remove that checkmark, Firefox stops saving what you type into search boxes and other form fields. You may still see older suggestions until they are cleared, but new entries will no longer be added. Now let us turn off credit card autofill. Open Settings again, then go to Passwords and Autofill. This may appear as its own section, and when you click it, you will see options related to logins, passwords, and payment methods. Wait until you see headings like Logins and Passwords or Payment Method on the page. Under Payment Method, turn off Save and Autofill Payment Info, or it may say Save and Fill Credit Cards in your version. Flip that switch off, and the toggle should change color or move to the left. From now on, Firefox will not offer to store new card details or suggest existing ones during checkout forms. Next up, we will disable password autofill. Staying in Settings, still in the Passwords and Autofill area, look for the section with the password controls. Here you control whether Firefox remembers and fills your website logins. Turn off Ask to save passwords, and also turn off Autofill logins and passwords. With both switches off, Firefox will no longer prompt you to save new passwords, and it will stop inserting stored usernames and passwords into login fields automatically. You have now disabled autofill for forms, credit cards, and passwords in Firefox, so everything you type stays under your control. If this helped you get autofill behaving the way you want, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more Firefox tips.